Do you want to make $100 daily with affiliate marketing but don't have any followers? You are in the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the exact traffic method I'm currently using to promote my products absolutely for free, as well as I'll show you the product I'm currently using. The product or system I'm using is OLSP system, which costs only $7 to start with. This is the dashboard of $7 OLSP system. You can see 7-step training where you'll learn about the system and how it works. On the right side, you'll see your promotional link, which is also your mega link, which promotes 7 different products to make you 7 income streams. Here you can see my today's income of $40 and 744 people made commission in last 24 hours. If you join through the link in the description, you will get both of these products absolutely for free. In this video, we will discuss about how we can leverage Quora to generate traffic. Here you can see I have got over 12,000 views, 43 upvotes, 12 comments and 12 shares. Here you can see all the works I have done. There are different methods to promote our product in Quora. In this video, we will focus on answering questions. Click here answer and you will find different questions here. Here you can see this question which is updated 10 hours ago. What are the best options for affiliate marketing 2024? And copy the question. Here you can see I asked Gemini to write high quality article on the question and also include OLSP system and call to action. This will generate an article. Copy the article and get here an answer. You cannot directly post your affiliate link here, so we are going to use yesterday's article. Here you can see we have posted this article yesterday and got 17 views. Now click here and copy link, paste your link here and add it, and you can see our article has been posted and already got 1 views. If you want to learn how we can create Quora space and generate traffic from here, you can watch the last video I have uploaded. And don't forget to join $7 OLSP system through the link in the description.